Good morning, class, and I hope you are well. And today we are going to discuss about spanning in the table. So, spanning already I told you, spanning means merging of the table cells. If we are merging more than one cells and representing as a one, so we have to use the spanning. And look here, already I explained here span, and they also call spanning, and it is of two types. First one is a row span and another one is a call span. Clear? It is used with a TD and TH only. This one is also used with a what? TD tag and TH tag. You can't use with a TR and table. This is a attribute of TD and TH only. Clear? Row span merge horizontally all the cells. Yeah, all the specified cell which I want to merge, only that it will merge. Don't understand if you will use, then it will merge all. How much we want, only that much. And call span merged. Sorry, this one is used to merge vertically. Sorry, I know written wrong. Vertically, and this one is used to merge horizontally. So this is a information about spanning. We can say spanning refers to merging more than one cell into one. Clear? So that is called as a what? Spanning. And spanning of two types, row span and call span, and these are used with a TD and TH tag. This is also used with TD and TH. Clear? That means it is a, we can say also with these both are the attribute of which tag? TD and TH. And this is also, we can say it is an attribute of TD and TH tag. So this is known as a merging. Now by using the figure we will see which type of merging we will do and what is cell. Once again, if you are being confused, so I will use here. Look here, this is our simple table. Clear? We all know that. See, this is called row and this is called column. So if we are talking about row, so we are talking about full. If we are talking about column, so we are talking about this one full. Clear? Here, where the row and column are merged, it is called as a cell. So this is your cell 1, cell 2, cell 3. Clear? So if sometimes you have seen tables like that. Look. So here what is being done? This is also like that, but here in these cells, cell 1, cell 2, cell 3, these all are merged into one, and it is showing like that. So it is called merging. And merging in which direction we have done? Horizontally. And here also, if it is full table, it has to display like that. But this line, yeah, this both cell this cell and this cell merge into one, and it is displaying as a 1. So this is also called merging, but merging done in which direction? Vertically. So my dear student, if you are going to merge horizontally, we have to use which attribute of the TD and TS tag? Call span. And here what we will use? Row span. So these are the informations where I may use the call span and where I may use the row span. But now another what important information you have to keep in your mind when you are going to do the programming of this table. Whenever, look here, cell 1, cell 2, cell 3, this. Whenever we are going to write the code for this one, so I will use here TD tag, and in these cells we have merged this all. So in this we will use TD call span is equal to how many cells are merged? 1, 2, 3. So I will write here 3. Then it will merge into the first one. And then what the data we have to show? We will show and we will close the TD. So after that, in this row, there is only one column, and that is the merge of 3. So we will write TR, TD call span is equal to 3, and we will do this. So this is a representation of the row span and call span, where I will use the call span and where I will use the row span. Now come here, I will show one table and we will write the program. By that I will show you different types of tables and we will write the programs. So look here. We have one table like that. Here we are displaying computer as a two-part. One is the hardware and another one is a software. Hardware also having different categories and software also having the different categories. Yeah, we can represent like that, don't represent like that. It is a bit, you will get confused. Let me to make a normal table. First, we are going to display here information. Information about we are displaying as a computer. Computer is having hardware and software. Clear? No. Yes. Now we are going to write here language, and language, it can be here what? We are studying C, C++, Java, Python, HTML, and query language. So if we have to represent such type of tables, so here how we will write the code. So my dear student, in this it is little confusion. Confusion means we have to first find out the maximum number of row and the maximum number of columns is being used inside the table. So we have to count. Look here. If we will represent, it will come like that. Clear? If we are representing, so it will come like that. So here, row number 1, row number 2, row number 3, row number 4, row number 5. That means there are the total row in this table is a 5. Clear? Now what we have to find out, the total number of columns. So look here, this is a column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4. So we have a total column in this table, there are 4. Means maximum 5 row and maximum 4 columns are there. Now we have to write the code by keeping in our mind in which row how many columns are merged and in which columns how many rows are merged. Clear? So look here. We are going to write from starting, so I will show here table, and before that you have to write HTML, head, title, body. This is all you have to write. Now I will write the main code here, table border is equal to 1, and I am going to write for the first row. So in this row we have a one cell, and that is a merged of 4 columns. Look here, column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, and merging in which direction? Horizontally direction. So if it is merging horizontally, we have to use which attribute? Call span. So I will write here TD or TH. If it is a heading, so we will use TH. If it is a normal text, I will use the TD. So TD, and I will not close here, and I will use here what? Call span is equal to how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will write here call span is equal to 4, and then I will write here information, and then I will close the TD, and I will also close the TR. Means one row information we have completed. Clear? Now come to this one. Second row, TR. Now we are going to write for this, so I will use here definitely TD. But in this cells, 2 cells are merged, and these are merged vertically. So what I will write? TD row span is equal to 2. And then what the information I have represented? Computer. Then I will close the TD. This cells work we have done. Now in this row we have this one also hardware. So hardware, for the another cell I will again open the TD. Clear? And in this we have also column 1, column 2, column 3. 3 columns are merged. So I will use, and merging in which direction? In this direction. So I will use here TD call span is equal to 3. And what the information we have represented? Hardware. And then I will close the TD. Now we will come for this row. In this row already this work we have done, so we do not need to do any work. We will write only for this one. So I will close the TR, and I will open again TR for the next row, and in this next row we have only this cells is left. So my dear student, whenever you are merging, be careful, and you have to keep in your mind in which directions you are merging. If you have merged vertically, so no need to worry about these cells because already it is merged. So we have this cell only. Clear? So I will write the code for this one again TD, and here again merging in done in the horizontal way. So I will use here TD call span is equal to how many cells are merged? 3 cells are merged. So 3, and then I will write here software, and then I will close here TD, and again I will close here TR. Clear? Now I have to write for this row. Look here, I told the total number of row is equal to 5. So 5 times TR we have to use 1, 2, 3. We have a 1, 2, 3, 3. Now 2 more row are left. So again I have to write so I will write again TR and I will continue with the previous one. No need to close table anything. We have to continue and we are going to write about these cells. So this cell is a combination of two cells in the vertical direction. So I will use here TD row span is equal to 2 and we have a what? Information we have to represent language. So I will write here language and I will close the TD. I do not have a space proper here, that's why I have written downside. You may continue in a same line. Now this one is completed. Now we have to write for this one. So I will write here TD. We have to represent C, TD close. Again TD we have to represent C++ and then I will close the TD and again I have to open TD Java. So again Java is there, TD, and then I will close the finally TR. We have represented this row also. Now we have also left this row. So again I will open here TR. And then this one is a merge, so leave it. We have to write only for these 3. So I will write here TD Python, TD close, TD HTML, TD close. Again I will open here TD query, then again TD close, and then finally I will close the table also and I will close the HTML or before that body also. So this is a program for the table. In that we are merging more than one cells. In the merging we have to keep in our mind in which row how many cells are merged, and whenever we are writing the code we have to also keep in your mind in the row if it is merged horizontally or vertically how many cells are more left, then we have to write the. So I am giving you some homework, please, for the table code. From the videos you have to write and you have to show me the code. Serial number 1, serial number 2, serial number 3, serial number 4. And in that we have a class. We have a class 10th, 12th. We have a 2 section A and B, and in the both section students are 50. See the normal table, you have to write the code. That is homework 1, homework 2. Look here. This is a difficult table which you have to draw. Clear? Now I will explain total number of columns 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Maximum column is a how much? 7. How many row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total row is equal to 5. That means in this one how much it has to merge? You can find out. Here, no problem. Here how many merged? Maximum column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. Let me to take column 4. Okay. 5. Then A, B and C. No. A and B. Here only 4 columns. A, B, C, D. So here, that means it is a combination of these two cells. Here also 2 are merged. Here also how many merged? 1, 2, and here 2 are merged. Here 4 columns, here 4 columns, and here how many rows are merged? You can find out. So write the code, and if you want, then you can send message the code. Whatever the codes are available, you have a school number, by the school, whatever it is shared. By using that, you can also send me the code if you want to show. Otherwise, type and check on the computer. If it is successfully showing these all things, no problem. If you are getting any problem, send me code. Thank you class.